Ready na po?
Ako po si Katrina Valdez, dati estudyante ng TNPC. Kabatch ko din yung mga sinasabi nilang first 414. Madami estudyante doon, prominent kasi. Yun nga, strict sila sa grade. Tapos mga scholarship pa yung estudyante.
Sarah May Aragon. I am the grade 12 SSLG Humes representative, as well as the chairwoman of Chess Knights and the class president of Humes 403.
Where's Mr. Bagani? Miss President, may I have the attendance? Mga hindi kayo pasok sa klase ko. May sinabi ba siyang reason? How irresponsible.
How should I know? I've been wondering, ano nangyayari sa mga nalaglag sa honors? What happens to them? It's so scary. I feel like nasarang ako and like there's a possibility malaglag ako. What if ako yung next? You should find someone who cares. You should find someone who cares.
It may be a kind of a toxic mindset, but I always try to think na sino ba ako kung wala yung mga accomplishments ko.
Yung student na yun, naalala ko, SSLG president namin siya dati. Hanggang sa sabi-sabi lang, bumagsak siya. Hindi namin alam kung bakit.
Uy, girl, crush mo ba yan?
Oh my God! Crush? Si Pablo? I don't have time for that. Kaya, gusto din kaya. So, diba? Ang sabi, naging sila daw. Pero alam namin, iba gusto ni Rafael eh. He never looked at Azaria before. Kaya di namin alam paano nangyari. Basta may nangyari.
Sometimes you gotta bleed to know that you're alive and have a soul. But it takes someone to come around to show you how. She's a terror line.
Ako po pala sila. I'm currently playing for Yellow Knights. Yung student natin kasi parang sanay ka sa yung naglalaro ka sanay, gusto mong nananalo, yung goal mo manalo. So, pagdating din sa academics, parang nabuboost yung mo na makipag-compete sa kanila. Pati sa grades mo, sa performance improvement. So, usually mga student natin parang may gustong patunayan Pero syempre yung totoong competition pa rin is yung nasa sarili ko. Kung kaya ko bang ma-handle lahat ng pressure, lahat ng binibigay sa akin task, kung talagang masusurvive nila.
Before yung huling interims ng batch namin, yung captain ng basketball team, biglang hindi pumunta.
Well, my name is Leila Ruiz, one of the top 5 during the first 414 section. I was a part of the rank 5 because I need scholarship. I need to maintain a certain grade to keep my scholarship.
Maybe it's because kung ano yung na-instill sa mindset ko na kailangan laging mataas grades ko, gano'n, na parang kailangan ang lagi kong unahin is yung academics ko.
People didn't realize how not everyone studying at TNTC is rich. Some really on strict scholarship.
Not only in terms of the financial aspects that it may present, but also in terms of the emotional aspect that it may do. Because I still seek for opportunities that can give me the growth and development that I need.
How did you lose your scholarship?
I lost my scholarship due to the enemy of success. Pressure.
So, hello. My name is Attorney Lito Villanueva. I am currently the Public Information Officer of the Supreme Secretary of Government, or the SSLG, the social media head of the Young Familiar Society, and I was also the former videographer of the Circulus Humanitatis and Socialis Sanitarium, or the Chess Knights, and also a former secretary of FUMES 102 and 2.
Why is all the top 5 absent? Except Pablo.
Does that mean that I am top 1?
Miss Salam, her grade is a consistent 99.7.
Actually, ever since I was a kid, it's always felt like a competition. I was so envious of my siblings, my cousins, na lagi silang naka-receive ng awards, lagi silang may special na mentions sa recognition. Meanwhile, noong time na yun, I was...
We haven't talked about the two at the very top, Miss Daimonium and Mr. Pablo.
Salam.
Raphael?
Miss Salam, her grade is a consistent 99.7.
My inspiration is validation from anyone. Hindi siya nagmamatter kung kanino siya manggagaling. Masabihan lang ako na ang galing mo, na ang talino mo, na paano mo nagawa yan. Parang napapakain niya yung ability ko to do my best. Napapakain niya yung magustuhan ko na maging mas magaling pa.
How do you do it? It pisses me off how you just stay on top without lifting a finger. Tsaka, what do you have that we don't? Are your parents richer? Do they support you more?
You have things that I don't.
Salam? Salam is heartless. She's like that evil girl in every class.
Salam? She's hard to read. It's like she doesn't care about others.
My name is Sarah-May Aragon.
My name is Attorney Lito Villanueva.
Ako po pala si Lance Cabrera.
Staying on top means that I have to sacrifice a lot of things.
They don't see the hardships I go through with my personal issues.
Well, people do see the results, pero they don't see the sacrifices.
Sino ba kung wala yung mga accomplishments? Like, who is Sarah? Who is Sarah-May Aragon if she's not achieving these kinds of
If hindi mataas yung feelings ko, if hindi ako achiever, sino ako?
Kung babay makuha mo grades and yung work mo, parang sasabi mo na, ito na lang yan.
You're none of those things, Salam.
And for the new rankings,
Action. 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 1, 2, 3. Action. 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 Action.
Lela, medyo nakaharap mo.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, so...
Action. Boy, wala pa. Pag sinira ko yan, Since LG President namin siya. Dati.